In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix SteamVR error code 450. This error usually points to a connection or recognition issue between SteamVR, your headset, and Windows. We'll walk through a clear set of fixes that address the most common causes. So follow along and test after each change. First, make sure your network profile is set to private. When Windows marks a network as public, it enforces stricter firewall rules that can block SteamVR. Open Windows Settings, go to Network and Internet. Then choose Wi-Fi if you are on wireless or Ethernet if you are wired. Click your active connection and change the network profile type to private. Only do this on a trusted home or office network, never on a coffee shop or guest hotspot after switching. Give SteamVR another try. Next, opt into the SteamVR beta, which often includes patches for connection failures like this. In your Steam library, right-click SteamVR, select Properties, then open the Betas tab. From the drop-down, choose SteamVR Beta Update. Steam will download the beta build. Once it's updated, relaunch SteamVR and check if the error is gone. If you use a VPN or an aggressive third-party firewall or antivirus, temporarily disable them to test. VPN tunneling and strict packet filtering can interrupt the handshake SteamVR needs. Pause or disable your VPN and in any third-party security suite, turn off the firewall or real FaceTime protection just long enough to test SteamVR. If the issue resolves, add Steam and SteamVR to your security software's allow list. Then re-enable your protections. Now verify the integrity of SteamVR's tool files in case something became corrupted. In your library, right-click SteamVR. Go to Properties. Choose Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Tool Files. Let Steam scan and repair anything it finds. Then test again. If you still see error 450, reset SteamVR's USB drivers. Open SteamVR, go to Settings, then Developer, and open Developer Settings. Click Remove all SteamVR USB devices. After that, unplug your headset, restart your PC, and plug the headset back in so Windows can reinstall the drivers cleanly. Finally, in those same developer settings, ensure Direct Display Mode is enabled. This tells the system to address the headset directly instead of treating it like a standard monitor, which helps prevent detection and routing issues. Work through these fixes in order, and you should see error 450 clear up. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.